If your Easter basket looks like it caught a bunny tornado, you're not alone. Let's tidy up that mess with the best Easter gifts for everyone. Easter is just around the corner, and you know what that means. Time to find the perfect gifts. Whether you're shopping for kids, parents, or friends, we've got you covered. First up for the little ones, personalized storybooks. Imagine their faces lighting up when they see their names in a magical tale. It's a keepsake they'll cherish forever. Next, for those who think outside the basket, how about some experience-based gifts? Think family outings, cooking classes, or even a personalized Easter egg hunt. Creating memories is the best gift of all. And for the chocolate lovers, you can't go wrong with gourmet goodies. Brands like Cadbury and Lindt have you covered with their festive packaging and delicious treats. But if you're looking for something healthier, consider non-candy alternatives like toys, books, or even some stylish spring clothing. Let's not forget the eco-conscious shoppers out there. Sustainable gifts are all the rage this season. From organic cotton clothing to fair trade chocolate, you can give great gifts and feel good about it too. So, whether you're filling baskets or creating unforgettable experiences, make this Easter egg extraordinary. Shop smart, give from the heart, and enjoy every moment. Happy Easter, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome gift ideas.